I'm standing in the living room of a house that costs $69,000. This house has 3 beds, 2 baths. Let's check it out. Standing on the other side of this living room, you can see beautiful hardwood floors and a lot of space in this living room for furniture, television, and access over here to the kitchen. Now this is the kitchen and dining room coming in from the garage over here, which we'll talk about in a little bit. You can see countertop space, a gas stove, dining room table over here. So all in all, a nice, simple kitchen. Looking at the kitchen and dining room from the other angle, you can see upon entering the home, you can either go into the living room, which you looked at the beginning of the video. This goes downstairs, and over here is the first bedroom and the only bedroom on this main level. So let's go check it out. So this is the first bedroom, and just like the rest of the house, beautiful hardwood floors. You'll also notice in this home, there's some recent updated windows, which is very nice because the windows can be pretty spendy. And this bedroom is, you can fit a bed in here, television up there. All in all, a pretty nice bedroom with a closet in the corner over there. Now the last thing before we go upstairs to look at is this full bathroom on this main level. You can see it has a sink, toilet over there behind the door, and a shower. So everything you need for a full bathroom. Okay, now let's go upstairs and check out the 2 bedrooms. So I'll meet you up top. Okay, here we are in the second bedroom. You can see updated windows, beautiful hardwood floors, closet around the corner. So all in all, for a second bedroom, it's pretty decent. Now this is the third and final bedroom of this home, and it is a little bit bigger than the last one. So you got more space, updated light fixture, updated windows, and looking outside. So all in all, for a third and final bedroom, it's pretty nice. Okay, after checking out everything on the main level and upper level, let's go downstairs and check out the rest of the home. To be transparent, in North Dakota, for a lot of older homes, the basements, you really can't do much with them. Maybe you just continue to use it as storage, maybe it's a dirt basement, but for this basement, you can set some stuff over there for like a family room. And some recent updates is a 2025 furnace, so that's pretty nice. And there is a 3/4 bathroom over there, recently updated water tank. So for a North Dakota basement for an older home, this basement is actually pretty decent. You can actually do something with it and not just use it as storage. Last thing with this house, we have a 1-stall attached garage, concrete floor. And honestly, this is pretty nice because a lot of times in this price range for a house, you may not even get a garage. So for this home to have a garage, that's pretty nice. Due to weather conditions of the day I'm filming this video, I'm going to show some photos of the outside of the house right here. And you can see newer vinyl siding, updated shingles within the last couple of years. And to recap, honestly, for $69,000, you get 3 beds, 1-stall attached garage, a bathroom. And when we look at a home in Minot, see the average price for a single family house around $330,000. Maybe you want to live a little bit outside of Minot, drive 45 miles from Towner to Minot, and get a house like this for less than $70,000. So if you like this house or just want to learn more about the property, the link for more info is in the description. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye.